In the 2020 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.